Hey everyone, I'm the opposite. It's hard for me to fit everything into 10 minutes, so I will do my best. And as you know, because all of you have seen me at least once before, the way I work, the way I get people results is through experiences. I don't lecture. I don't give you 10 steps to implement, and then, maybe you will, but probably you won't. So what I do is give you experiences, and I love interaction because that is how you learn and transform. Overall, I'm a speaking coach. I also help you a lot with your business strategy, your speaking strategy, the psychology, and your presence and energy. So what I'd like to do, since this is the topic, is 24, 25. Oh my gosh. And, Abby touched on this, but I'd like to hear just, let's say, from one person for each of these. The first thing I like to do is celebrate because, as LaDonna was saying, there are things to celebrate. And when you celebrate even small wins, it gives your subconscious mind, if not your conscious, that you are successful, you're moving in the right direction, you're doing some good things. And so we want to celebrate.